My name is Sharita Broadway. I'm 33 years old. I'm originally from a small farm community in Mississippi. However, I have resided in Texas for the past 4 years. I'm currently working for an automotive finance company in the collections and loss preventions department. I just entered my senior year at Ashford University. My major is actually healthcare administration. I'm minoring in entrepreneurship. In my spare time, I enjoy couponing, arts and crafts, reading, and taking naps. Um, According to the assessment, I am primarily a transformer as an entrepreneurial style. But I also blend in diamond as well. As a transformer, I am an ambitious change maker who re-energizes traditional industries and take them to the next level. Within this style, I will have to ensure that my business model is as compelling as my mission, and I will have to also be mindful of the facts. As a diamond, I'm a bold dreamer who starts disruptive ventures. With this style, I would need to ensure that I listen and that I share my success. The statement that I would say that best describes me and everything about me is I want to help people help themselves. I have been designing a company on paper for about 15, almost 20 years. And I'm thinking now is the time to see it come to fruition. What brings me joy and energy is knowing that I've made a difference in somebody's life. Whether or not they have the ability to repay me or anything, it makes me feel good to know that I helped. My life's goal is to start an organization that helps people who have fallen on hard times to get back on their feet. My motto is most people who are homeless or in a situation where they can't afford housing, they're not looking for handouts. They're looking for a helping hand. The company that I design will have many aspects. It will include temporary housing that leads to more permanent housing, job assistance, assistance with medical care, and various other elements to assist individuals and families to get back on their feet. It's something that I've always been very passionate about, being able to help people. One of the target groups that I look at is our veterans. Our veterans, they come over and here in Texas, you see so many of them living under bridges, and it's heartbreaking to know that these people gave their lives for us, and they don't have anywhere to lay their head at night. And again, it's not for a lack to say that they're lazy. It's not for a fact to say they're not trying. They just don't get the help that they need. And another thing, it is hard to get a job when you don't have an address. So the services that I will provide housing so that these people will be able to apply for the job because they have an address. Everybody can, you can't afford a home, you may not be able to afford a cell phone. Well, the business that I've designed is going to ensure that these people have access to telephones, therefore they can get the calls to say, hey, you got the job. And in the end, it's only the way the program is designed. Within 1 year's time, everything should be okay, and we should be ready to transition you from our services to something more permanent. And in the end, it's one of those where I helped people help themselves. It's nothing that I'm giving them. The only thing that I'm really giving them is the tools that they need to do it themselves. Help people help themselves. And that's the Sharita way. And it's great to share this class with you all. Looking forward to everything that we're going to learn in this class about building the business. So, yeah, I'm excited.